Hello there. Today we are going to learn about when your school teacher or you want to increase some marks for the student, like in different subjects like mathematics, chemistry, physics, English. Okay, but you are going to add some marks, for example 10 marks to each and every subject. So it will be very problem and time wasting to add one by one to each and every subject and for every student. We are just going to add the same marks to every student for all the subjects in simple way. Okay, then for example I want to add 10 marks to each and every subject. Then I will just copy these marks and will select all the subjects here. Okay, then now I will just press from the keyboard. Then I will simply click from the keyboard Alt A plus S. Okay, this spatial will pop up. Okay, then I will press here add and will okay. So 10 marks added to each and every subject for all students. Okay, and the total has been also changed. So this is a very simple way that we added 10 marks to each and every subject. Okay, then I will just border all. For the same kind of information, subscribe our channel, and bye bye. Have a wonderful time.